English Listening Podcasts. Today, we talk about talent. Many people believe talent is the key. They think, if I had talent, I would win. If I was naturally good, I would succeed. If I had the right gifts, life would be easy. But talent is not the main thing. Talent is a spark. Consistency is the fire. And fire wins. So today, we talk about one powerful truth. Consistency beats talent. Let me tell you a short story. Two people start the same skill. Maybe it is the gym. Maybe it is a business. Maybe it is English. Maybe it is music. Maybe it is coding. Person A is talented. They learn fast. They look good at the start. People praise them. Person B is not special. They learn slowly. They make mistakes. They look average. But person B has one thing. They show up. They show up on normal days. They show up on bad days. They show up when they feel tired. They show up when no one claps. After 1 month, person A is still ahead. After 3 months, person A is less consistent. After 1 year, person B is unstoppable. Why? Because consistency compounds. Small effort, repeated, becomes power. Now I want to give you 2 key ideas. Idea 1. Talent is a spark, but it is not a system. Talent gives you a fast start, but talent does not teach discipline. Sometimes talent is even dangerous, because talented people get used to easy wins. They do not learn how to push through boring days. So when life becomes hard, they stop. Consistency is different. Consistency builds the skill of showing up. And that skill works in every area: health, money, relationships, learning, business. Consistency is a meta skill. Now I want to give you a second idea, the daily minimum rule. Most people fail because they set big goals. They say, I will work 3 hours every day. I will go to the gym 6 days a week. I will study 2 hours every night. Then life happens. They get tired. They get busy. They feel stress. They miss 1 day. Then they feel guilt. Then they miss another day, and the habit dies. So we use a better strategy. Daily minimum. Daily minimum means even on your worst day, you do the smallest version. Not to grow big, to keep the chain. Because the chain is everything. Examples of daily minimum. Gym, 10 minutes, or just walk to the gym. Writing, 100 words. English, 5 minutes shadowing. Business, 1 small output. Study, 1 page review. Health, drink water plus 10 push-ups. Daily minimum is small, but it protects identity. It tells your brain, I am still this person, and identity is the engine. Now let's talk about the all-or-nothing trap. The all-or-nothing mindset kills progress. Many people think like this: if I can't do it perfectly, I won't do it. This is pride, not discipline. Discipline is, I do the minimum, I keep the promise. When you keep the promise, you build trust. And when you build trust, you become consistent. Now I will give you a short story. A person wants to get fit. They do a strong week. They feel great. Then they have a bad week. They miss the gym. They feel shame. They think, I failed, I lost it. So they stop. But the truth is, missing is normal. The only real failure is quitting. So the solution is the daily minimum. On bad weeks, you do the minimum. You keep the chain alive. And when the energy comes back, you return stronger. Now let's build a mini plan for you. Mini plan for today. Step 1. Choose one area. Only one. Health, money, skill, work, learning. Just one. Step 2. Define your daily minimum. Make it so easy you cannot say no. Examples: 5 minutes, 10 minutes, one small task, one page, one message, one set. If your daily minimum is too big, you will break it. Make it small. Make it repeatable. Step 3. Track the chain. Use a calendar or a checklist. Every day you do it, mark it. Do not break the chain, even if you do only the minimum. Step 4. Add bonus only when you have energy. Daily minimum is the floor. When you feel good, you do more, but you never depend on more. You depend on the minimum. Now I want to say something important. Consistency is not intensity. Consistency is reliability. It is being the person who returns again and again. Now let's do shadowing together. Repeat slowly. I choose consistency. I do the minimum even on bad days. Small daily effort wins. I do not need perfect days. I keep the chain. I build my skill slowly. I trust the process. I show up again. I become unstoppable. I stay. Now, here is your challenge today. Pick one daily minimum. Do it today. Mark it. Tomorrow, do it again. If you want more calm episodes like this, subscribe and stay with me. Small daily effort, quiet growth, strong life. See you next episode.